الله الله يا ربي يا الله الله يا ربي يا الله.
No electric in this area, no telephone cables, no telephone lines, no internet service. Everything is finito, khatam. The masjid in the background there. This one is one of the houses we've just come to. As you can see, it's got the top floor still intact, but the bottom is all gone. And you could tell from the window frame and the door frames how much mud is coming and what must be the force of the water. Only people living in this area must have known what must have gone through their minds. Just come to one of the houses here.
After a week, this is the level of the chimney.
This all took place 5 to 6 days ago.
This is the level. This is the level of the water. Okay.
As you can see the marks on the wall, you can tell how high the water came in. This whole house is gutted.
Everything's just one.
It's all washed away.
Yeah.
Families living here, they've all had to go, leave the place. Allah make it easy for them, inshallah.